Welcome to Linux Help channel. In this video, we are going to see about Typesetter CMS. Typesetter was designed to be an easy to use but lightweight and fully functional content management system. The user can use the integrated admin interface that allows them to instantly see page edits and configuration changes in one window. It enables the user to build and manage feature-rich websites since it has an inbuilt flat file storage. It doesn't require a database to store data. This tutorial covers the installation procedure of Typesetter CMS on Centos 8. First, I'm going to check my Centos version. My Centos version is 8.1. Now I'm going to download the Typesetter CMS installation package. Once the download is completed, extract the Typesetter CMS. Now move the Typesetter CMS to Apache root directory. Now set the ownership for Typesetter CMS. Now set the permission. Now configure the virtual host for accessing the Typesetter. Now save and quit. Once all the step is completed, restart the Apache service. Now go to the browser. Now enter the domain name. This is the requirements for Typesetter CMS. Now configure the admin credentials here. Now click install. The installation is completed. Now go to the website. This is the dashboard of Typesetter CMS. This is the method how to install Typesetter CMS on Centos 8. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to Linux Help channel. For more details, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For more queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.